Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this video we will discuss EnumSet ranges, which is a functionality for enums or enums, enumerations, enumerables, enumerates, however you wish to label them. I was supposed to record this video alongside other videos this weekend, but I found myself free, so I told myself instead of wasting my time doing nothing, I would record a video for the benefit of the viewer. So here I am, but I do not think I will be able to record any further because possibly after I pray Isha, which is in about maybe 30 minutes or so, I will sleep. And I'm also preparing for a large lecture pertaining to the Java runtime environment and virtual machines. So I would like for these lectures to be done properly because they are incredibly important. Now before we begin, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين وارض اللهم عنا معهم أجمعين اللهم آمين. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم في العالمين إنك حميد مجيد. We begin in the name of Allah, the most merciful in this life and in the hereafter, and we thank Him for all of His blessings that He has bestowed upon us, for they are innumerable, and we pray that we follow in the footsteps of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his fellow companions. Amen. We also ask for prayers and blessings to be bestowed upon Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his family, as they were bestowed upon Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and his family. Now, what is an EnumSet range? This functionality allows for the selection of a particular range of constants, for God's sake, within an enum. I will just leave it as an enum, because if I say enumeration, people may think I am speaking about the cursor enumeration, not the class type enumeration. So I will just leave it as an enum. So if you have multiple constants within an enum, and you wish to print or display or manipulate a particular range of those constants, instead of the entirety of the constants, you wish to select a particular range within an enum to manipulate, you will resort to the EnumSet. Now let us create an enum with multiple constants, then let us test this. So I will create an enum called students. And here I will create a group of students. So let us see. We have Ahmed H. Then we have Ahmed S. Then we have Muhammad. Actually, hold on. I would like to add Hassan. And then we have Zay. Not Zahin, Zahi, you stupid autocomplete. Okay, so these are the list of constants for this enum. Then I will create, let us say, how many instance variables? For simplicity, we'll just have one, and we will call it specialty. Then for the constructor, we will call it students. Well, there is no other there is no other name for this constructor. Unless you are coding in other languages such as JavaScript or PHP, then the constructor would have a different name. It would actually be called constructor, or I believe in PHP it was simply called construct. Or was that Ruby? I am confusing myself with these programming languages or scripting languages, because some programming languages are scripting languages, such as Ruby. So here I will add Python for the specialty. Here I will add C#. Here I will add K8, which is the shortened form of Kubernetes. Here is none. And for Zahi, SQL. Okay, so we have discussed these individualized constructors for each particular constant long ago. And since this is private, let us create a getter. What was it? Alt insert? Yes. Getter. There we go. Okay. Firstly, simply to recapitulate and review what we have covered, let us print everything. Then I will select a particular range to print or display onto the console. So how would I display the entirety of the enum? Remember when I referred to the enum as an array of constants? I emphasized that term because of a particular method known as values. So if we prepare a for loop like so, because we have to iterate through it, and we specify the iterator or the counter with data type students, and I will call it student, and then it will be students dot, and as you can see, values, and it returns an array of students. So that is what we want, and I believe we covered this. Actually, now I will have to check if we did cover this or not. I feel that we did. Then printf, just to customize it. Let us see. Name is, and then we will have new line. What is after name? Specialty, because it is also a string. And here we will have student and student. Okay, let us test this and see. Okay, so we have name and then the specialty. Oh yeah, I need to place a new line after this. Let us place 2 lines after specialty. Okay, so we have name and its specialty, name and its specialty and his specialty, sorry, and so on and so forth. You can, of course, create your constructor so that it has a name and specialty. It is up to you. And we used the getter here because this is set to private, so we need to access it via the getter. Okay, now I wish to display a particular range of this enum. Let us say I wish to display from Ahmed S to Muhammad here. So I wish to display only these 3. How will I accomplish this? Well, I will remove these from compilation, but I will keep it for your reference, though we did cover how to iterate through an enum long ago. I simply wish to create this lecture because it has been bothering me, so I am finishing it now. That way it does not bother me anymore. Students, student. And here we will refer to enum set dot. Oh yeah, it needs to import it. It may import it automatically. Dot range. And as you can see here, E from E2. And it also gives you the package in which EnumSet is located, which is java.util. As you can see, EnumSet is a generic class, and it accepts a type parameter of E, whichever you pass. So I passed here type students, so it will be from. So that the first argument of range is where you wish to start, and then import it, and then to where you wish to end. So let us test this and see. It will be student dot to students dot Muhammad, and then here we will print no need to use printf for this. We'll say name plus student, which is the iterator here, plus, oh, I forgot the double quotes, then specialty plus student dot get specialty plus new line, and this will add another new line for us. Okay, so this should display only these three. Let us test it and see. So it displayed Ahmed as, Hassan, and Muhammad. It has done so perfectly. So remember, with EnumSet.range, or rather with the range method of EnumSet, you are able to display as a particular range or manipulate a particular range within the enum class type. Now remember, firstly, EnumSet must be imported, as you have seen in the IntelliSense window. And range is a static method because it was called by its class name, or it was called at the class level. And that is it with regards to this lecture. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم في العالمين إنك حميد مجيد.